Meet Marcela, a classic young lady. She is bitter and sweet. She is here to help all of you lovebirds with Love Potion number 143. A new way to fall in love like 123. Love Potion 143 will transport you and your loved one to a roller coaster that will make your heart blow-stir. A touch of sweet mixed with bitter bits of heat. This potion will help you find true love even in Marcela. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now to Liquid Memoir for a chance to get limited access to Love Potion number 143. Learn how to make it and feel how to love it. What is up, everyone? My name is Gabriel Morales, and on this channel we drink and create memories together. This is going to be my submission for the Love Potion 2021 Cocktail Challenge. Another month and another challenge. Brought to you by Rob's from Rob Home Bar, Vino Valentino from 60 Second Cocktails, and David Edwards from Booze on the Rocks. Today we're making a chocolate Negroni. But how am I going to put chocolate in a Negroni and still keep it as a Negroni? Let's just get behind the stick and make this chocolate Negroni. Let's make Marcela proud. To build this drink, grab a mixing glass and add 2 dashes of chocolate mole bitters. Then grab your jiggers and add 1/4 ounce or 7.5 mils of Creme de Cacao. I'm using Tempest Fugit, but you may use any dark Creme de Cacao you can find. Then to that, add 3/4 ounce or 22.5 mils of sweet vermouth. Colchi di Torino or Carpano works great on this cocktail, but any sweet vermouth will do. Now, as Marcela will like it, we're gonna add some bite to this drink. First, some Ancho Reyes. Ancho Reyes is a sugarcane-based ancho chile liqueur. It's produced in Mexico. Pour 1/2 ounce or 15 mils. Instead of using Campari, I'm going to use Bruto Americano. This gentian bitter liqueur delivers another level of depth and flavor to drinks. It's delicious on its own, but complex in cocktails. Add 3/4 ounce or 22.5 mils. As for the base spirit, I'm using Mezcal Vida. This has great vegetal and smoky notes that will pair perfectly with the rest of our ingredients. Pour 1 ounce or 30 mils. Then crack 1 large ice cube and fill the rest of the mixing glass with ice. And give it a good stir for about 20 seconds. Once done stirring, strain this cocktail into a chilled double rocks glass over a nice, beautiful, large format ice cube. As for the garnish, it's only fitting to add some chocolate. Grate a generous amount of dark chocolate on top of your drink and serve. And there we have it, a chocolate Negroni. All right, let's taste the chocolate Negroni. Oh my God, this is amazing. What? You get that little hint of chocolate mixed with the spice from the Ancho Reyes. All these ingredients are working so well together. It's smoky, but it's not super crazy smoky, which is kind of nice. There's not one flavor that overly dominates this drink. It's fantastic. This is for all of you bittersweet lovers out there. Before I go, quick shout out once again to Vino, Rob, and David for creating yet another cocktail challenge. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, share with friends. I appreciate all the support from all of you guys. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. and it's all bringed, and it's